Mayroon tayong 4 na uri na Calathea guys. So itong ating iriripat ngayon. Mayroon tayong itong Calathea orbifolia. Ito guys. Mga 2 months na siguro to guys na nabili ko. Ay hindi pa siya na iiripat. So time to ripat now ang ating mga Calathea. Ito naman ang ating doti, Calathea doti. Nagupit ko dito guys kasi nag-brown ang kanyang leaves. Ginupitan ko siya. Pero okay lang yan guys pag nag-dry ay gugupitin mo lang siya. Ito yung huli kong binili na bagong 2 Calathea natin na tenanti or fishbone prayer plant. Kaya tinawag na fishbone ito guys. Ay makikita mo naman yung dahon niya na parang hugis ng ng isda, yung mga tinik-tinik ba. Ayan. Ito na yung mga bagong baby na labas guys. Ito bago din yan. Calathea lancifolia o ratter snake plant. Ito rin yung bagong labas na dahon guys. Medyo lumaki na sila guys after 2 months at nagkaroon na sila ng mga bagong dahon. Ayan. Kagaya itong isa, mayroon din siyang bago. Ito bago rin. Dahil may punit siya, ito na lang aking gagawin na panglilipatan ng ating Calathea. Ilagay ko na sila dito lahat para iisang lagayan. Para saves more pot. Pat lagi may butas siya guys. Ayan. Pinutasan ko na siya at lagyan natin ng takip ang butas kasi malaki para pag magdilig tayo guys ay hindi lalabas yung soil para hindi maubos. So lagyan natin yan at lagyan ko siya ng gravel stone.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
day I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, ay nagustuhan yung ating video ngayon at huwag kalimutan i-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para update po kayo sa lahat ng aking video na i-upload guys. See you again guys.